Here's another simple game that I made during my game design slash development course at SUNY Ulster. Titled Billiards. You can probably guess that it is billiards. Ironically, the prompt was to make a game that wasn't very much like billiards, despite being named billiards. The prompt was to make a game with a ball that you could roll around using your arrow keys, but me being a player of the good old-fashioned we play billiards game, I decided to actually flesh this out and make it like, a real billiards game. So you can like see where your stick is going to be placed on the ball. You can pull back, you can push forward. You can see there's a little tutorial that I added because I realized that this would be a nightmare for anyone who didn't know how it worked. I mean, heck, I probably wouldn't be able to figure this out now. I made this over a year ago, but onto gameplay. Oh, that was a bit of a delay. That was awkward. But you could see the balls that you can manage to get hit into the little pockets get like sucked in, and of course I scratch immediately. I think something happened where this ball wound up with way less mass than the others, so it tends to scratch really easily because it just bounces off of other balls without sending them moving anywhere. I don't think it's practical to show like a complete run through of this game, and I don't think I really had a win condition. There's kind of just a score. That's it. That you could see this. I got this hastily modeled billiards table model that I made in Blender in like 15 minutes. I think the billiard stick that I'm using here is actually just a scaled up or a scale adjusted cylinder. Oh my goodness, I can't stop scratching. But you can see when you scratch, the score goes down. Maybe I should actually try to play because that's content, right? Probably, yeah. The motive for this isn't content, but now I have the urge to play this, even though I know I'm gonna suck at it. Oh, there we go. Okay, maybe when I put my mind to it, I can actually score some of these. Yeah, angle a little bit more to the left. This game definitely needs a sensitivity meter like Apple Sniper had. Oh, yeah, I didn't have that lined up very well, did I? I guess it's a bit exaggerated to call this like a proper billiards game when all I really have is the silly little score indicator in the top left. Wow, I really thought I would hit that. Maybe I just didn't have the stick. Oh yeah, and the stick placement does really affect how your ball moves. Like I used it as the impulse point for my force applications. If I hit it like this, you see it like goes off really angled, and wow, I did not expect to get a hit in with that. That's surprising. Maybe I should stop talking. I just enjoy the gameplay. Oh, green one almost went in. I do presume this would take an eternity though if I tried to play a full game out, so I'm going to end the recording here. Thanks.